Hey everyone, this is Shubhadeep again from 7 Boats Academy. I'm the trainer at 7 Boats. So today I'm going to show you how you can associate your Google Analytics 4 account with your Google Search Console. So this is a new feature which Google recently has launched. So this helps you associate your Google Analytics 4 account with your Google Search Console account, and with that you can see some really cool data about your website. So let's get started how to do it. So first you have to open Google Search Console. So let's open that, and after you open that, click on start now and select your property right here. So this is the property which I've already selected, and after selecting that property, come down to the settings part. From here you will see this option called association. Here you will see you can link your Google Analytics 4 account with your Google Search Console account. So if I remove this one which I have already added and show you from the very beginning, so I'm removing it right now. So let's see how to add it. So you have to click on associate, and from here you have to select the Google Analytics 4 account which is associated with your site. So let's go to my Google Analytics, and you can see like this is my property right here. So you have to see this is the property number. So the last is 155. So here you go. So this is the first one. So I have to just click that and click on continue. So once you click on continue, it will just ask for a confirmation. Just click on continue and associate, and once it is done, there you go. So my Google Analytics 4 account is now associated with my Google Search Console. So as soon as I do that, I'll see this new option right here, use for Search Console Insights. So when I click on this, without going to Google Analytics or anywhere, you can see all these cool activities about your site which is happening here. So I can see here in the last 28 days I got 274 views. My average engagement time is 1 minute 25 seconds. I can see which are my top blog posts which are ranking. You can also see which is trending. So you can see this post has almost 400% trending. So you can see all this data right from your Google Search Console without going to Google Analytics. You can also see how people are finding you, organic search, direct, unassigned, Google search, everything you can see. So this is a really cool thing which Google has added to Google Search Console. So we hope you use this and try it on your website, and it will definitely help you to to make some better decision about your site if you are finding it hard, like which part you are having problem ranking. So thank you everyone, I hope you liked this video. Do comment and subscribe to the 7 Boss YouTube channel for more search cool videos like this. Thank you everyone.